Okay, today I'm talking about this application where you can just sign up and complete KYC. You can get instant $10 or more or less $2, $3 of reward of FNC token. Click on exchange link and you can see this type of interface where you can just simply put your username and email password and confirm password and click on register button. Then you have to confirm your email ID and you can simply sign up in register this in this application. After you have signed up, and click on this app link and simply download this app and open it, and you have simply getting this interface and verify. I will verify this later, so just click on cancel, and there is a payment proof where you can get how much you are getting of FNC token. There is the wallet, then you can just simply looking this I have getting $2 of FNC token. You are simply seeing that. So if you refer your friend, you can get simply get 2500 FNC token. Okay, you have just click on verify. I'll show you how you can verify this application KYC verify. Click on this verify now, and I recommend you to choose card, ID card or password. You have to your choice, and they are recommended you to ID card. So you have simply click on ID card and hit on continue. After click on continue, you can see this type of interface. So you can select here your country or region, first name, last name, your birth date, and your ID number, and city and district, and your address, and your ID expiry date. So you have simply uh, fill up those all the information, and after you are click on fill up the all information and click on continue. You see this interface. You have to put front side and back side of your ID card, and doing this, and I'll come back. After putting your ID card, click on continue and get self verification. You have to just continue and getting process of your ID, and click on continue. From here you have simply giving your face ID, face verification, and they are just reviewing your face ID or your document, and you have verify your account from 24 hour to 48 hour. From here you can simply just wait for that, and you have getting 1001 or 2000 to 2500 token FNC token, and you can just simply withdraw this amount and getting get profit from that. Okay, simply in doing those taxes you can earn some amount of crypto. Thank you for watching. Thank you guys.